didn't do mine. He didn't do mine. He never did mine.
Hey guys, what is up? Kilo here with another Airsoft video. So sorry for not posting for the past few weeks. College has been kind of hitting me like a bullet train, more or less. Let's not get into that. For this event, I ran without my plate carrier for the first time in a while, and with that I'm going to say it felt great to be mobile and all, but I don't know, I felt pretty naked. The outcome was great, being able to maneuver and hide well, but I mean, I don't know. I just like having that. I don't know. It felt weird, naked. I don't know. But anyways, with it, I have my M16A4 by Matrix, outfitted with a Trigicon RCO, shooting .2 gram BBs. I could not tell you any of the other specs because Gator does most of my gun smithing work, and he's or gun repairs, and he's actually our top guy for that. The team on deck was nearly everyone in the crew. Actually, it was pretty impressive how much of a turnout it was. We actually made up most of the team. Um, like a majority of our team. It was a tan on green engagement. We made up most of the green team. But anyways, um, none of that for now. Just for now, please enjoy this footage from King of the Hill at R&R.
Dude, we're bogged down. We cannot push past this point. There's guys right here. We're looking at them.
We can't fight each other. We can't fight each other.
Yeah, guys, this is our moment. Let's go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Come on!
Right here.
Are we running?
I'm gonna go jungle. Try and give you guys some Overwatch. If you guys want to stick to the road.
In front of us.
All right. Safety kill! Safety kill! Safety kill!
High drop.
Hey, green! 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 Twist it again! Get up here!
Hey, Caden, watch your shoulder.
You're welcome, Caden.
Fucking rolled in.
Holy shit balls.
All right, let's push. Tyler, you need to hold this belly.
Yeah, I got you. Safety kill.